To use circle to search on Poco F8 Ultra, first of all you have to do is just to click and hold this home button if you are using 3 buttons navigation, or if you are using this gestures, you get this bar at the bottom of the screen, so you have to also click and hold it like with this button. And now if you are searching for something, you can just simply circle this. So let's say I'm looking for this character of my wallpaper. Now let's see what kind of the result we'll get. And here, as you can see, we can find visual matches. So this is some kind of the wallpaper, and of course this is the Joker character from Batman movie. And if you want to get some text, for example, you want to copy the text that is not that you are not able to copy. Like for example, if I try to copy something from my settings, I can also do this thanks to this circle to search. So now take a look. I can select every phrase that is available over here, like that, and I can select copy. And now I can put this anywhere, for example, into the notes. I can open notes, create a new note, and here, as you can see, I've got everything from my settings. So that's pretty useful, but also we can quickly translate something. So if I want to translate, for example, this phrase, I have to click and hold one more time. Now I have to select this phrase. And now I have to select translate. And here I will be redirected into the Google Translate. I have to select the language. So that's the Polish language, the English. And now, as you can see, we get this translation. So this is 3 methods how we can use the circle to search on this device. I hope you find it useful.